Good morning, dear students. Okay, very good morning. How are you? Okay, I hope all of you fine. Had your tiffin? Okay, I hope all of you had your tiffin. Now, welcome to KRL Memorial CBSE School, Mudhol. I am your English teacher. My name is Geeta Bantur. Okay, this is first standard class. Okay, subject English. Okay. Now come to the point. In previous class, we are all start one of the interesting poem, one of the interesting lesson. Okay, lesson number 5. Okay, lesson number 5. The big carrot. The big carrot. Okay, some of the difficult words is also we will learn in previous class in this lesson. Okay, now in this class we will start the lesson. I hope all of you have your textbook. So now all of you open your textbook, page number 44. Okay, page number 44. Okay, the big carrot. See here, this is that big carrot. Okay, this is a big carrot. Starter kit. Fruit or vegetables. Right under each picture some of the fruits and some of the vegetables. First one is lady's finger, banana and capsicum and sitafal. Okay, sitafal and banana is a fruits and lady's fingers and capsicum is a vegetables. Okay, write in your text. First one is lady's finger, second one is banana, third one is capsicum, fourth one is sitafal. Okay, now we will start the lesson. Grandpa loves to grow carrots. Okay, grandpa loves to grow carrots. Once he planted some carrot seeds. One of them grew into very big carrot. It grew as big as grandpa. Time to pull it out, said grandpa. He pulled on the carrot top. He pulled very hard, but the carrot would not come out. Grandma came to help. She pulled on grandpa. Grandpa pulled on the carrot top but the carrot would not come out because that carrot is very big. Okay. A girl came to help. She pulled on grandma and grandma pulled on grandpa. Grandpa pulled on the carrot top but the carrot would not come out. Okay. Next, a dog came to help. The dog pulled on the girl. The girl pulled on grandma. Grandma pulled on grandpa. Grandpa pulled on the carrot top, but the carrot would not come out. A cat came to help. The cat pulled on the dog. The dog pulled on the girl. The girl pulled on grandma. Grandma pulled on grandpa. Then grandpa pulled on the carrot top. Finally, out came the big carrot. Finally, that big carrot out come. Okay. First, we will start. Grandpa loves to grow carrots. One of the characters, grandpa. Grandpa, he always loves to carrot. He loves to grow carrots. Okay. Grandpa, he always loves to grow carrots. Okay. he loves to reap carrots. That once he planted some carrot seeds. So he loves to reap carrots. So he planted some carrot seeds. Okay. One of them grew into very big. One of them he planted some of the carrot seeds, but one of the carrot was very big carrot. Okay, very big carrot. It grows as big as grandpa. It grows as a big grandpa. Okay, time to pull it out, said grandpa. When that carrot come to pulled time. Okay, pulled means ಕೀಳುವುದು. Okay, ಎಳೆಯುವುದು ಅಥವಾ ಕೀಳುವುದು. That big carrot come to pull time. Okay, that time to pull it out. This time come to pull it out, said grandpa. He pulled on the carrot top. That grandpa tried to pull on the carrot top. He pulled very hard because that carrot is very big carrot. So he pulled very hard, but the carrot would not come out. Okay, first time that carrot would not come out. Okay, not come out. When that carrot came to pull time, that time grandpa tried to pull it out. Okay, pull on the carrot top, and he pulled very hard. He tried to very hard, but that carrot would not come out because that carrot is very big carrot. Very big carrot. Okay. Next, grandma came to help. She pulled on grandpa. Grandpa pulled on the carrot top, but the carrot would not come out. Okay. Next, grandma came to help. Okay. Grandma came to help. For grandpa, she pulled on grandpa. That grandma pulled on grandpa. Grandpa pulled on the carrot top. Okay, first he pulled on the carrot top, but the carrot would not come out. When grandma was also come to help, that time carrot would not come out. Okay, next a girl came to help. She pulled on grandma, and grandma pulled on grandpa. Grandpa pulled on the carrot top, but the carrot would not come out. Okay, first one is grandpa tried to pulled it out, that carrot. Next, grandma helped to come, then girl. Okay, in this paragraph, a girl came to help. She pulled on grandma. That girl pulled on grandma. Then grandma pulled on grandpa, and grandpa pulled on the carrot top. Okay, first one is first carrot top. Grandpa pulled on the carrot top. Okay, next come to grandma. Next one is come to girl. Next, but the carrot would not come out. In this time is also that carrot would not come out. Okay, see here. See this picture. Okay, he is a grandpa. He tried to pull on the carrot top. Okay, he tried to pull on the carrot top. Next, come to grandma. Okay, grandma and grandpa both are all tried to pull on the carrot top. Then girl was come to help, and grandpa and grandma and that girl tried to pull on the carrot top, but the finally would not come out. Okay, would not come out that carrot. Okay, turn your page. A dog came to help. The dog pulled on the girl. The girl pulled on grandma. Grandma pulled on grandpa. Grandpa pulled on the carrot top, but the carrot would not come out. Okay. Next one is come to help. Dog. A dog come to help. The dog pulled on the girl. The dog pulled on the girl, and the girl pulled on a grandpa. Grandma pulled on the grandpa, and grandpa pulled on the carrot top. Okay, but the carrot would not come out. Okay, see here. First one is carrot. Next, grandpa, grandma, girl, and dog. Okay, but the finally carrot would not come out. Okay. Next, we will learn what happened. A cat come to help. Finally, a cat come to help. The cat pulled on the dog. The cat pulled on the dog. The dog pulled on the girl, and the girl pulled on grandma, and grandma pulled on grandpa, and grandpa pulled on a carrot top. Okay, see this picture. Next, come to help cat. A cat came to help. Okay, see here, cat came to help, and the cat pulled on the dog. The cat pulled on the dog. Then the dog pulled on a girl, and the girl pulled on a grandma, and grandma pulled on the grandpa. Grandpa pulled on the carrot top. Okay, but the finally grandpa pulled on the carrot top. Then in this time, out come the big carrot. When carrot was coming, both are all pulled on that carrot. Then finally, out come the big carrot. See here, that big carrot out come. Grandpa is so happy with his smile. Nodri. Okay, see here, this is a big carrot. That carrot was come out, and the grandpa is very happy. Smile with his face. Okay. Finally, that carrot is come out. Now, in this lesson was completed. Okay. I hope all of you understood this lesson, that grandpa was always loves to grow carrots, and he planted some of the carrots. Okay, one of the big carrot that planted, one of the grew into very big. Okay, when that carrot come to pull time, that time he tried to pull it out. Okay, next grandma came to help grandpa, and next girl came to help grandma. Then dog came to help girl. Okay, next cat came to help dog. Okay, finally grandpa, grandma, dog, girl, dog, and cat. Both are all wood. Both are all out come the big carrot. Both are all tried to pulled it out, pulled on the carrot. That time that carrot out come. Okay. Okay, now this lesson was completed, and next question answers. Okay, question answers in this lesson we will continue remaining class. Okay, next class we will discuss the question answers of this lesson. Question answers for this lesson. Read and find. Okay. Okay, next we will meet next class. Okay. Next class we will discuss question answers in this lesson. Okay. Thank you one and all.